Thurston, what are you doing? Toby, honey, come on. You're scaring the kitty. Oh, come on, Toby. It's okay. Thurston, you're so mean to him. Come on, Toby. Come on, buddy. It's okay. You are in a bad mood today. It's not very nice of you. Now, you are so mean. Let him come out. Thurston. Hi, Miss Tabitha. You're my good girl. Are you a good girl? You silly girl. Ow, Thurston, what is wrong with you? Quit it, let go of me. You are vicious. Come on, Toby. Oh my God. He's in the worst mood today. Now listen, you are being the devil. Now, come on, Toby. Come on out, Toby. Come on, Toby. Run, run, run. You better watch it, Tabitha. When he sees you, he's going to come get you. Oh. Oh. Toby. Come on, Toby. Good boy. Come on, Toby. Come on, Toby. Come on out. Good boy. It's okay.